So moving to the next concept, random variable and probability distribution. A random variable. A random variable is a real valued function associated with the sample space. The concept is that suppose if you consider the event of tossing 2 coins. So the outcomes, what you get is the sample space is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. If you consider the random variable, which is usually denoted as X, capital X, that is the number of heads. So if you consider the first outcome, the number of heads over there is 2. The number of heads over here is 1. The number of heads over here is 1. And the number of heads over here is 0. So the value of X is going to be 0, 1, and 2. This is what I said before. That is, it is a real valued function associated with the sample space. This is what is a random variable is. Next is probability distribution. Probability distribution is a description giving the values of the random variable along with the corresponding probabilities. That is what is called the probability distribution. That is, you list out the value of the random variable along with the probability. So here, if you make a table, that is X and P of X. So values of X, we have already seen that it could be 0, it could be 1, it could be 2. Now probability of getting 0, that is 0 is when it is TT. So that's going to be 1 out of, there are 4 outcomes in total. So the probability of getting TT is going to be 1 out of 4. Probability of getting 1, it could be HT or TH. So there are 2 favorable outcomes out of the 4. So it's 2 by 4, which could be simplified to 1 over 2. And probability of getting 2 heads, that is just 1 out of the 4. So that's 1 by 4. So this is what is a probability distribution table is. That is, you're listing down the random variable along with the probabilities. Now, some properties over here is that each of the probability value would be a value between 0 and 1. That is, each probability value, P of X, would be a value between 0 and 1. And when you add the probability, the sum, that is going to be 1. That is P of X when it is equal to 0. That is this. When it is equal to 0, this is the probability when it's equal to 1, because random variable is 1 over there. And this is the probability when it's equal to 2. So when you add them up, P of X equal to 0 plus P of X equal to 1 plus P of X equal to 2, that's going to be equal to 1. These are some of the properties being satisfied in a probability distribution table. I hope it's clear to you.